Hello team, so this is a travel agency solution which I'm going to show you. Here you can check cars data, hotel, tours, flight and many services. We have multiple services, so here you can check services data. From backend, you just need to add API, then all types of service will run automatically. Here you can check your feature hotels. If I click on any hotels, then it will open. Just allow me seconds. So here you can check hotel name, hotel images. Here you can check rooms, how much rooms you have, or you can book. Here you can check hotel policy and all. You just need to add some data for adding, or you can complete the payment and then you can book your room. Okay, so here you can check other data as well. Let me show you other data. So just a second. So after that, here you can check hotel policy, hotel cancellation, property description, or location and etc. You can check it here. Here you can check your newsletter. We have already lots of pages, so here you can change or add content, what content you want to add. So it's easily changeable. After that, here you can search for hotels, search for tours, search for flight as well. Here like one way, round way. We are using API here, but currently this is a demo purpose, that's why we had not set up any API. But I will show you how we are using API. So these are feature flights, so you can check feature flight and you can book flight as well. Let me show you flight as well. So just allow me some seconds. So here you can check how much flight results we have, flight score we have, price range, one way airline you can check, or here you can check more details, you can select flight or you can book it. Okay, here you can check flight name, duration and price. It will change, currently it's coming in USD, but it will be changed whenever if you are working with INR, so we will set up INR for you. Okay. So here you can check popular tours data, recommendation to car and many more things we have. User can easily log in or sign up and then you can manage that. Now let me show you the admin panel. So here you can check admin panel. So here are users data, pages, booking, cancellation, unpaid booking, most visited country, booking cancellation request. After that, here you can check your alerts. Let me show you some settings as well. So here you can check some settings. Seconds. I think my internet is a little bit slow, that's why it's taking a little bit loading. So just seconds. Okay, so here you can check general settings. So here you can check like license key, default theme and color, SEO, accounts. In right corner here you can set up a language and currency, social link. Here you can manage all the things. After that we have a users also. Here you can set up user rules like agents, customer, employee. You can create more rules as well, or you can give access to them. With those access they can manage that. After that, payment gateway, we are using this payment gateway. You just need to add key, then it will be work for you. Here you can set up your multiple currencies, email settings. So here you can set up your SMTP key, then it will be work for you. After that we have multiple locations, languages, countries we have. These are modules, so these are API. So for flight we are using the fall flight, Travelport, TBO, MNDS. So you can use any of them for live data. Here we are using some API for hotels, tours and cars and many more. Here you can check the complete data of that. After that we have markup. So here you can set up markup as well. Status, user markup, user ID and user type. This is for car, hotel, tour and flight. You can set up your markup. All user data will come here. You can edit, delete, you can enable it and you can use it. Here you can check admin user, supplier user, employer user, customer user or agent user. So all type data will come here. You can edit, delete, you can create if you want to create. Okay. Now let me show you CMS. So this is the CMS. After that we have a newsletter. Here you can export that file or you can add any newsletter. After that here you can check all types of booking will come here, all types of transaction will come here. After that, how much hotels you had created, hotel data will come here. You can edit, delete, you can create hotels manually as well. You just need to add some data or hotel will be added for you, location and contact. After that you have hotel settings. So here you can manage hotel amenities, room type or room manage. After that, hotel suggestions we have, tours we have. So here you can set up tours, you can create multiple tours. Tour settings we have. So here you can add tours. Okay, like inclusive, exclusive, tour suggestions we have, casts we have, and some like you can change your password, you can check other things like. Okay, so I already show you the complete demo to you. So if you have any doubts, query, then you can connect with us. We will try to help you. Thank you.